Okay, so we've got a 2018 Kia Sorento GT line, automatic turbo diesel, all-wheel drive, in a wagon with 27,000 kilometres. Being that it's a 2018 model, it's got a 7-year factory warranty, which will be valid until 2025. Got the side steps, panoramic sunroof, front sensors, reverse sensors, tinted windows. Take a look at the interior. So you've got the multi-function steering wheel there with your Bluetooth connectivity and cruise control. There's your kilometres there, 27,000. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, dual zone climate air. It's got heated and cooled seats with a heated steering wheel, automatic transmission. Driver's seat in excellent condition. There's no wear or tear there, as is the front passenger. Middle row seat. And then you've also got your third row seat in the back there. Come around the back and see if we can have a look. Power tailgate. All inquiries are welcome though. Please give us a call if you've got any questions.